Look who's cooking dinner for his mommy for Mother's Day. My baby boy, Hunter Chavez Holland. Turn around, Hunter, let the people see. Hello. He fried up some chicken and some green beans and some corn. And Pancho ain't contributed nothing but the cake. We'll let him have the cake again. The cake. But baby boy is cooking it up. He loves his mommy. Yes, he does. So you love your mommy? Yeah. He said, yeah, sure. He is cooking up and washing dishes as he goes. What's going to happen? I taught him well. I didn't think I taught him nothing, but I guess I did. I guess I taught him. Him and Pancho both learned to wash dishes when they were 5 years old. Oh, you gotta be kidding me. Why would you make them kids wash dishes at 5 years old? Well, they wanted to get up in the chair and see what I was doing. And they said, Mommy, I want to help. So they got the rag and started washing. Boys should know how to do stuff too. I don't know where people get for these men and stuff that the men don't need to know how to do nothing. He knows, both of them knows how to cook. Both of them know how to clean. Both of them know how to wash dishes, sweep and mop. Both of them know how to do laundry. So you're supposed to teach your boy just like you would teach a girl. Come on. They might be independent. Like Pancho. Pancho, he ain't married yet, but he know how to cook and wash his dirty clothes and stuff. So that's all we wanted you to know. Happy Mother's Day to all the mothers out there. My single mothers, can I get a whoop whoop? I was a single mother, and my mama was too at the end. I really hadn't thought about that, but it's true. And so, whether you adopt a child, or you're a spiritual mother, or whatever else, it don't matter. Happy Mother's Day to all the mamas out of there. All right, see you later. Hello, y'all. I'm going to take a picture of myself, even though I don't like to do it, because I just don't. I don't like everybody see my double chin and all my flaws. So